Have you ever wondered the prompt behind this particular image? So you actually saw an image on internet and you actually want to reverse their image to get the exact prompt. So let's assume that we are using this file image. So I'm going to download this image and recreate it to actually get the exact result. So we are going to come to this website, which is called clipvane.com prompt to image generator, and this tool will actually allow you to get the exact prompt that they use to generate that particular image. So I'm going to actually scroll down a little bit, then actually upload the image you downloaded from ComfyUI, then actually click on get the prompt. So you can choose for different category. You can choose for structure. If you actually want a structure prompt, you can choose it. If you want from Midjourney, you can choose for Midjourney, and if you want for Flex AI, you can choose it depending on where you actually want to generate your image from. So I'm going to click on generate a prompt, and this AI tool will actually generate a prompt that we can use on any LLM like maybe Nano Banana or ChatGPT for us to get the image, just like as we see. So as you can see, this is the prompt: a majestic scene of alien landscape featuring a dragon with intricate details riding in a flowing red robes. The background shows the Etruscan mountain. So this is the exact prompt. If you actually copy this prompt and go over to ChatGPT or Nano Banana, you are going to get this exact image. So if you want to use this particular AI, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to use it. It is free and unlimited. Thanks for watching. Ensure you subscribe.